Nabona ntse ke pusha ke ya pela ke no gutla ke tshepa no wa nkutla matala ke a di busa ke tshela thupa ska ntutsa style sa majuta ke tla ka dikgoka phofolo bona ke moleko ne le mon sena tla ka fiko ne never wa tjontsha sena style o felletswe greater sa house style tsela mpepe ha o re mona ke iketle wa bona ke totobana I'm sure one bona never one khona man since ke mathalo bitsa rona di boss le no ntse ke tla ka force.
Hi everybody, dumelang baratua, say hi.
Hi.
Dumelang baratua, and welcome to my YouTube channel again. Thank you so much for joining, for watching, and for subscribing. So today I'm with my beautiful daughter Onkarabile. So it's the early hours, early morning of Mother's Day. Is it the 16th? What day is it today? 14. What is the date? 14. The 14th of May 2023. So everyone else is sleeping, only the two of us are awake because we wanted to prepare the gifts for everyone. So
it's a surprise.
It's a surprise. Shh.
Don't text anybody. Kuno pikarabelo.
Malume, mama,
Papa, especially Papa.
Especially Papa. Yeah. So we'll obviously post this after everyone has received their presents, right? So I think the first present would be this one. Do you want to tell them where this one comes from?
You can tell them.
Okay. So this, our aftercare, Auntie Sue from aftercare prepared these for the kids, for them to give to their mothers for Mother's Day,
or grandmothers,
or grandmother, or just anybody. And that, very cute. It also had a chocolate, a big slab of Aero, I think, chocolate. So, but somebody's grandmother has already received that chocolate, guys. So before Mother's Day, Friday already, she received it. Anyway,
chocolate is chocolate.
So it comes with this gift. So this is from Aftercare. So it's going to be part of the gifts that we're going to give. So it's gonna be for
Mama.
Which mama? Me.
My grandmother. Because you don't usually cook. She always cooks.
She doesn't always.
She can give it to one of her daughters, I think.
So you heard that, guys. I'm not getting this. It's for Granny. It's not for me.
You'll get something.
Anywho, so we also got which one should we start with? Okay, so there's 3 mamas in this house. It's myself, it's my mom, it's my younger sister, and then there's a manti. Manti is what my younger sister says. It's a combination of a mother and an auntie, or an auntie that sometimes has to do some motherly duties. So she's our Manti. So Manti also had her birthday just recently on the 30th of October. 30th of April, guys. April, sorry. Okay. So we have not seen her since her birthday. Yeah, so...
When since?
No, we haven't. So we are going to give her her present. Part of her present is going to be this cute little guy. Yes. So it's going to be his, and then yeah. So Manti is going to get
Teddy bear.
this teddy bear
So cute and fluffy.
and this pink chocolate.
I was a monkey. This I would get this.
So this is for her, and then it goes with a perfume. I'll show you the perfumes just now. So
Later.
this is for Manti. Later you'll see the perfumes, and then okay, let's finish the mom. So for Granny, remember it's this, right? And
At that gold reflective best mom ever.
best mom ever. Yes, this
She's
is
a
for
children
Granny.
of 7, 6.
And then these will be her chocolates. Yebo, yebo, yebo.
She's a
And
mother
then-
of 6.
So then there's another cup.
Snoopy.
Yebo. This is what it looks like.
Best mom ever.
Best mom ever. So this is for my younger sister. Boo, boo. And then it
Mama,
goes
why
with this
don't you
chocolate.
show them the child of the owner of this?
Wait, not now. They know her. The one who usually takes my spotlight when I'm doing my TikTok videos. I'm trying to dance.
Who
show my
is
moves.
literally sleeping right now.
Yes.
I can understand. She's
And then this one. This one is mine.
She said it's unique. I don't understand.
It is unique.
With hearts all over.
With hearts, and then it's got a little tail there.
Comment down low, what is this for?
So this is mine. I already got my cup, my Mother's Day cup. I love it. And then, okay, so let's move away. And then take out the paper bags.
Paper bag. Paper bags. The cupcake is for my grandmother because o kgona ho pheha, o kgona ho bake. Yeah.
So she's getting cupcakes because we cannot pay.
What? Then they must be sweeter.
So remember, hers goes with these chocolates. So the chocolates, the paper bags, and the cup, we got them from Checkers. Checkers Hyper. Is it Hyper? No. There.
This is for Kunupi. I just chose it for it because it looked pretty. I have no
Goes
reason.
with this one. No specific reason. In
Cup.
heck.
You. And this is for my mother. I chose flowers because she loves flowers.
Yay.
And she
Because
ends
I
up
love flowers.
killing them.
Guys, you didn't hear that. I really hope you didn't hear that.
I chose the flowers because she loves flowers. And sometimes she ends up killing them.
Thank you.
My mother.
Okay. So, this one goes
It's for
with
the
these
auntie.
chocolates. So,
She's a auntie and a mother at the same time. She's my auntie, she's a mother.
gonna go like this. And then, so we also got
Shambobo.
this. You see, there it's non-alcoholic over there.
I'll finish it if
So
you
this
don't.
is-
If you guys don't
This is
drink
for
it
my
by
grandmother.
Monday,
We're gonna put it in this one.
go to
Please open
finish
it for me.
it. If you don't finish it by Monday,
This girl. we're just going to put it in here.
Pink. The bottle is pink and the packet is pink.
How nice is that?
Basically, everything we have is pink, but the chocolates. And you'll see in the rest of the video.
Alright. Okay, so after that, so the most exciting
back with
part
the
about
other
this,
things.
yes, check it out. Start with the candles.
Scented candles.
So we bought scented candles.
I wish
my
you could
grandmother.
smell it right now. It smells like
They smell very nice. This is also
They
from
smell
Checkers.
heavenly.
She likes the smell. She chose these ones. There were blue ones and these ones. Yeah. And then
Perfume.
we got each one of them a perfume.
Perfume.
So we got this one, yes. So the perfumes we got from Clicks. Yes, Clicks. Initially they had a 20% off all single fragrances, but then for Mother's Day, for the 4-day special, they took it down to 30%. So we got this. This one is for
Kunubi.
yes, for Kunubi. She's
Kunubi
Kunubi is my
Roberts.
younger sister. She's your
Auntie and Manti.
she's a auntie, and she's a mother to little Mango. You guys have seen Mango, the person that always steals my sunshine and my spotlight.
Okay. Everybody has heard you.
Okay.
Forgive the poor child. Perfume.
Yes. Then the second perfume. So this is for Carabello, my youngest sister. Her Manti and Mango's Manti. So this is both for her birthday and for
Manti's Day.
Manti's Day, since it's Mother's Day. Yay. And then yebo.
Oh, it's upside down. Perfume.
So this one is for my mother. Yes.
It's very small
So,
compared to a children's.
guys, my child. This is my mother's perfume. I love these fragrances. So like
It smells
you know
great,
what?
but it's gonna finish in
This
1 year.
Then you're gonna have to go and buy her with your saved money. You've got saved money, right?
Never.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you how we're gonna wrap these things up, how we're gonna wrap them around.
Oh my God.
So we bought these. Show everybody these. So we bought these so that we can be able to wrap some of these things, and then they look nice and all. And then we also bought. And then we also bought
box.
these little boxes.
Is a blue?
Let's see.
Is a
So,
silver?
I bought these at P&A. Yeah.
My
So,
favorite color, gold.
yeah. So we're gonna put in these papers inside.
It's
here.
brown inside. My least favorite color.
Yeah.
Your favorite colors, dark colors,
Okay.
black, brown, and
Open the silver one. Where is it? Momo, where's the silver one?
alas.
Pega lapo. Don't just say anas.
I don't know my mother.
There's such a mess here, guys.
Wait, why is this thing falling apart now?
Anyway, we got actually quite nice and veganiana inside here. So you just unwrap it like that. You see? So here I took the white one and I fold it in half. No. It'd be easy more when you wanna be hugging puppies. And then
they're cute.
no, bruh. Wait. So,
Can I stop you right there?
sure.
Comment down below who likes puppies because they're so cute. She don't like puppies.
I don't like puppies. No, I do. I just don't think it's the time to be hugging puppies now because we're busy. Okay, please. No, we need to finish with this. So I took this and I put it on top of this one, right? And then this is gonna be my mom's box. So we open.
Where's the silver one? This one goes, this one. And
Where, Mama?
yeah.
So she wants mom to have this one.
Silver, my second favorite color.
Okay. So with the silver one, we're gonna put.
That's disgusting.
I put it inside like that. And then I fold it up like so. You know what I'm saying? And then we take mom's perfume and then we put it in there. And then we are going to sort of close it in. We close it in like that. We should remember to take videos for when they open their presents.
Also, who thinks it does not make sense that there's a Mother's Day and a Father's Day but no Children's Day?
Ooh, why what a Children's Day there? Guys, do you think we need a Children's Day?
Yes!
I don't think it's necessary.
Say yes! Don't listen to her, you say yes.
Okay, cool, okay. I don't think it's necessary.
Yes!
Say
yes! Say
no,
yes!
it's fine. They'll tell us what they think. Do you think Children's Day is necessary?
Yes, it is. And we have to spoil the mothers, we have to spoil the fathers. What about them
the
spoiling
ones.
us?
Don't you get spoiled enough already?
No, I don't get spoiled.
At all.
Only on my birthday.
Only on your birthdays, really? You want to repeat that again? There you got it, guys.
You have Mother's Day,
There you
National
go.
Nurses Day, your birthday,
And I also have Women's Day.
Women's Day. 4. I shall.
So, how happy there? Okay.
You only get 1 day.
Shouldn't we have used pink and silver here?
Yeah.
On this one.
Don't have time now.
Okay. So, I love this silver one. I love it.
I wouldn't say it's horrible, but I don't like it.
You'll see what it does when it mixes with the pink, my darling.
I want to see.
My dear child.
If I disagree.
So no, no, nano. Mara, you want Children's Day? You shame. You're not gonna get it. So there, the silver and the pink,
What do you want me to see? Because I see nothing here.
and then we're gonna put it. So whose box is gonna be? Whose box is this going to be? All right. So we took your Skuni here. So Skuni will get this one. Skuni ki Mama Bosa. My baby sis me Mama Bena.
She has a lot of names.
She's got a lot of names. Red girl.
Olabo only got 1. She's got 15.
You only got 1. How? No. You are Unkarabili. You are Momo. You are Nana. You are Nano. You are my baby girl.
No!
You are sweetheart.
No!
Okay, so
Those are not nicknames.
there. So
Those
when
are
she
not
opens
names.
it, it's gonna look something like this.
You bought
then-
her a bunch of grey and pink
Then
clothes.
she needs to go through.
It's a whole mine.
So this is also just so the things don't move around
Break.
and break, you know, in here. So the last box, the gold one, I love this gold.
Since
It's for
when?
Manti. Okay, this gold. I love this gold. So you see, if we put it alone in there, it's tekate. So yeah, hence we are
You see, you hear nothing in here.
beautiful. So must I do hers with white and silver, with white and pink?
White and pink.
White and pink.
Okay. Cute teddy bear. Fluffy.
Then you take it and you put it in there. Skype says so.
Good.
There you go, guys. That's what it looks like.
The dress boxes.
So all boxes are in here. So
All boxes are in here.
I mean, all perfumes are in the boxes. Sorry. Sorry. Then this one, we're gonna leave the Auntie Sue's paper bag as it is. I think it's cute with the card. We'll hear what the card says tomorrow as she reads it to Grandma.
She'll read
So
by herself.
I think I like these. Maybe if you buy me these, I'll start cooking.
Who should buy you?
You.
With whose money?
With your money. With your saved up money or something.
You?
Then this one, remember, our paper bag is looking like this, so we don't want it running around or walking around like that. So
It has legs.
we
That's why
don't
it
want to
drives
walk. I don't want to walk around with this thing like this.
Yeah, machine.
Or I don't want anyone walking around. Hmm?
When you speak English.
Excuse me? What is?
You don't really make these much mistakes when you speak English.
You say when I school and then she's gonna tell you what English how in. So it's teared up there. I'll just use sellotape. We actually have sellotape here. Shaba in one of the plastics.
It's
The
in that
sellotape.
other plastic.
Please go get it. So should we use a white one? I feel like a white one will make more sense. Kapadik said he needs a white one to get there.
P&A is actually a very nice shop where you can buy stationery, these boxes that we just got, and other stuff to color your world. And thank you.
Okay, there we go. So this is what it looks like. So now we are going to take everything and put them. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to take each and every cup, for instance. Mom's cupcake and chocolate.
Cupcake.
Cup and chocolate will be going with this. So they'll be together. Oh, and this. Oh, my mom is getting. Ooh.
She's special. Our grandmother does a lot
Stand
for
up,
us.
bro.
Our grandmother does a lot for us.
I also do a lot for you. There you go. Don't I do a lot?
You
Must I
do.
do more?
No, you do. You do.
Imagine, guys, my mom is getting all this, and she's getting this, and she's getting that. Okay, so we're gonna go and put them in the dining room. So when they wake up in the morning, they're gonna see that. It's gonna look very nice.
Let's wake up at 3 a.m. because Mama
3 a.m. It's already 3. It's like, what time is it? It's 5 minutes to 4.
I'll make Mama breakfast in bed.
Hold this. Yeah, you'll do that.
Breakfast in bed. Oh, I forgot you guys. Puppy, so cute.
She's
awake.
So this is for screen. It goes with that. So I'm taking them to the dining room.
Her name is Jasmine. And her brother's name is Aladdin. Haha. Jasmine and Aladdin. Together forever. There they are. So cute. Okay.
Okay. And then this is for Auntie Kari. She's gonna get these and this. Oh, yeah, I got This is my cup, guys. I'm so excited. I already know, but I'm excited. Oh, mine also goes with chocolates. Hey, Varina, I forgot. So this is mine. And mine goes with these. My favorites. They have nuts. Kari doesn't like nuts.
Okay.
I'm the only one that likes nuts.
Can I taste when you tomorrow?
Sure. Go put them inside. And then come so that we can wrap up and say goodbye to everybody.
Okay, I'll be right.
Yeah, guys. Yeah. It's a wrap. We done. I'm exhausted. I want to sleep.
Wrap.
Okay. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching. We love you. Take care of
Adios,
yourselves.
amigos.
Take care of yourselves. We love you.
Adios.
And keep well.
Adios, amigos.
Shapomo.
Adios, amigos.
Hotwe adios, amigos. Nakere bye, baratua. Leratwa kinna. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Ciao.
Notify the bell notification.
Oh, yes.
When
yes.
every video comes.
So that you can get a notification. So hit the subscribe and the notification.
And the like button.
And the like buttons. Yes. Thank you. Bye.
Adios.